Well, I'm gonna cook this chicken. Ayan, rotisserie chicken. Gusto ko sanang lagyan ng balatong umongo kaso wala akong balatong, so I'm gonna put some lentils instead. Yeah. Okay, so I have to put some soup, water, lentils, and some other veggies, and then put it to boil. So I'm gonna have roasted chicken soup. Roasted chicken soup, alright, with lentils and other veggies. Namits ko kasi yung dinengdeng sa atin eh. Diba? Masarap sana kung lamis yan. Lamis. Alright. Okay, let's see. Wow, naluto na. Naluto na rin ang aking dinengdeng na may lentils at iba't ibang gulay. Ayan, chopped gulays. Alright. Kasi gusto ko balatong kaso wala eh, diba? Lentils is good. Okay. Yun ang lentils. Parang balatong din. Parang munggo rin. Diba? Parang munggo rin eh. Yun, sinabawan ko para masarap. And of course, itong ating isang buong lechong manok. Ayan, sarap. Ayun. Sarap. Ayun, kaon na habang mainit-init pa. Oh yes.